Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale data science projects with Amazon Web Services, full guide step by step clearly. To scale data science projects with Amazon Web Services, begin by familiarizing yourself with the key AWS services. Start by creating an AWS account if you don't already have one. Once your account is ready, explore the AWS Management Console. Identify and understand the core services you'll be using, such as Amazon S3, EC2, and SageMaker. Next, focus on data storage and organization by using Amazon S3 for scalable data storage. Upload your datasets to S3, ensuring they are well organized in buckets. Set the appropriate permissions for your S3 buckets to control access. Now, move on to compute resources. Launch an Amazon EC2 instance suited for your processing needs. Choose the right instance type based on your workload requirements, such as memory or compute efficiency. Configure your instance with the necessary software and libraries for data science. Alternatively, consider using Amazon SageMaker for an integrated environment designed specifically for machine learning tasks. Create a SageMaker notebook instance for interactive development and testing. Utilize built-in algorithms and frameworks provided by SageMaker to streamline your modeling process. When training models, adjust configurations for instance types and counts to optimize performance and cost efficiency. Deploy trained models using SageMaker endpoints for real-time inference. For batch jobs, employ Amazon SageMaker Batch Transform to scale predictions across large datasets. Implement data processing workflows using AWS Glue for ETL tasks to clean and prepare data efficiently. As your project grows, monitor performance with AWS CloudWatch to track usage and optimize resources. Utilize AWS IAM to manage user roles and permissions securely. For collaborative projects, consider using AWS CodeCommit for version control. Also, explore AWS Lambda for serverless computing to handle specific tasks without managing servers. To ensure data pipeline reliability, consider AWS step functions to coordinate multiple AWS services. Always remember to follow best practices for security and cost management while scaling your projects. Conclude by continuously evaluating your architecture and making adjustments as your project evolves. By following these steps, you'll effectively scale your data science projects using Amazon Web Services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.